Everyone recommends the 50-30-20 budgeting rule today, but many people still struggle saving money every month because the world has changed faster than budgeting advice. A rule created decades ago ignores modern financial realities. Today's living costs consume larger portions of monthly income, leaving less room for savings and financial flexibility. Let's examine why this popular budgeting rule often fails. First problem: housing costs exceed 50% frequently. Many workers spend 60% on necessities alone. That immediately breaks the original budgeting framework completely. Food prices continue increasing across many countries. Today, utility bills and transportation costs have increased significantly. Fixed percentages rarely match individual financial situations anymore. Someone earning more requires different budgeting priorities entirely. Family size also dramatically changes spending and saving. Instead, use a flexible, priority-based money system. This system focuses on priorities rather than percentages. First, cover essential expenses needed for daily survival: housing, food, transportation, insurance, and utility expenses. These expenses deserve attention before everything else. Next, pay your future self before spending elsewhere. Automate savings immediately after receiving your monthly income.
Start building an emergency fund for unexpected situations.
Emergencies become inconveniences instead of financial disasters afterward. Then invest consistently to build long-term wealth. Consistency matters far more than perfect market timing. Time is your strongest tool for growing investments. Compound growth rewards patience and regular contributions greatly. Finally, enjoy remaining money without unnecessary guilt. Spend freely on things that genuinely improve happiness. Cut expenses that provide little long-term value. This creates balance between present enjoyment and future. Here's one flexible framework many people find practical. 70% handles necessities and essential living costs. 20% goes directly toward future financial goals. 10% funds entertainment and personal enjoyment expenses. Adjust percentages according to your unique circumstances carefully. Younger workers may prioritize investing more aggressively first. Families might need larger allocations for necessities temporarily. Review your financial plan at least monthly, consistently. Financial success comes from adjustments, not perfection alone. Track spending patterns to understand where money disappears. Awareness often reveals saving opportunities hidden in habits. Many people overlook recurring subscriptions draining income quietly. Eliminating unused services instantly improves monthly cash flow. Spend intentionally rather than automatically following old habits. Clear goals make budgeting easier and far more motivating. Saving feels easier when connected to meaningful outcomes, whether buying homes, traveling, or achieving independence someday. Those provide direction for every dollar you earn. As income rises, avoid increasing lifestyle costs excessively. Lifestyle inflation silently slows wealth building for years. It will direct raises toward investments before expanding discretionary spending. This simple habit accelerates long-term financial progress. Strong finances require both protection and growth strategies. Emergency funds protect investment plans during difficult periods. Financial resilience matters as much as financial growth. Confidence grows when money follows a clear purpose. Tracking progress reinforces positive habits and consistency. No budgeting rule works perfectly for every individual. Personal finance should remain personal, above everything else. Flexibility beats rigid formulas in today's changing economy. Adapt your system whenever circumstances change significantly. Life changes and financial strategies should evolve accordingly. That's why relying solely on outdated percentages limits. Prioritizing essentials, future, and lifestyle creates better outcomes. It encourages progress without forcing unrealistic spending targets. Financial freedom grows from intentional decisions made consistently. Start with small improvements and build momentum gradually. Design a system matching your goals and lifestyle. That's how modern budgeting works far better today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.